my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Sayani and welcome to the last episode of my this year's birthday series. Which means today is my birthday and I am getting ready for my birthday. So without further wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So first, obviously I will be tying my hair, and to begin I need to prepare my skin first using this Mamaearth Ubtan face wash to wash my face. This is not a sponsored video guys. I genuinely love this face wash so much. I use it on a regular basis. It just suits my skin so perfectly. So gently massaging my face with the face wash. I won't be doing too much because I have already did little something yesterday. It just gives my skin an instant glow and plumpy look. Now I will be gently rubbing my face with the eyes. It just improves blood flow, soothes inflammation, plumps and gives your skin an instant glow. Doing it for 1 minute and then gently pat drying my face with the face towel. Then I will be using this lemon sheet mask from the Faceshop. Lemon has vitamin C, so it makes your skin glowy, and this Faceshop's sheet masks are my favorite. These are so much hydrating and just perfect. Now I will be keeping it for 20 minutes and after that removing the mask and gently patting and massaging the serum onto my skin and my neck too. Then I will be applying this cocoa butter lip balm from Himalaya to prep my lips. And then I will be using this Mamaearth Tea Tree moisturizer as the base of my makeup. This moisturizer is non-oily, non-sticky. It just absorbs onto your skin so well, hydrates and soothes your skin. I use this on a regular basis and this is not a sponsored video guys. So here I am done prepping up my skin. Now let's get started with the makeup. For primer, I will be using this Sugar The Most Eligiblur Smoothing Primer. It's a silicone based primer. It blurs out all the pores and gives a perfect matte base. I won't be using any foundation because I don't like using it, so directly I'm using a concealer. This is from Sugar. It's their Magic Wand waterproof concealer in the shade 12. I will be applying very little amount of concealer on the outer corner of my eyes, the inner corner, on my nose, eyelids, corner of my lips, wherever I have pigmentation. And now I will be blending it with the help of this beauty blender. Since I am not using any foundation, I won't be applying too much concealer, otherwise it will be very cakey and I want the look very natural. Also blending it very nicely. Also guys, I am not a professional in this subject, in this makeup subject, so if I do any mistakes, please ignore that. I'm still learning, so yeah. Now I have applied a little more concealer on the inner corners of my eyes because I will be putting a lighter color eyeshadow there. So to make the eyeshadow color pop, I had to apply more concealer there. I hope you are getting my point. Now to set the concealer, I will be using this Powder Play Banana Compact by Sugar and applying it very nicely. Gently patting the puff and brushing it off lightly. Also don't forget to apply it on your neck too. For my brows, I will be using this Sugar Cosmetics Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade 04 Felix Onyx. It has this brow pencil on the one side and the brush on the other side. I don't like to do too much eyebrow. I like to keep it very natural and very simple. So I will be just gently drawing some lines wherever I feel like to shape my brow a little. And yeah, that's all I do for my brow. For my eyeshadow, I will be using this pink shade called Flamingo from the palette. It's from Huda Beauty. It's the old version of the Rose Gold palette. It's a very old palette. I don't want to do too much. I am going for a very subtle minimal look, so not applying too much eyeshadow, just taking a little amount and blending it like this so that बिल्कुल फीका भी ना लगे and थोड़ी सी color भी रह जाए. Now comes the main product for this look, which is this eyeshadow from Miss Claire. It's in the shade 0661. I will be applying it with my fingers because it's not that pigmented. Brush से बहुत ही fallout होती है, but I want this yellow color to be little pop, so applying it on the inner corners of my eyes. Now blending the edges with the brush and my fingertips. Now I will be applying this Lakmé Insta liner. I just can't live without eyeliner, guys. I never ever step out without applying eyeliners. I just love applying it. It just makes the whole look complete and I feel like it makes me more prettier. Anyway, so just making a normal winged liner as always. Then I will be using this Maybelline Colossal Mascara. I am going to apply it a lot because I won't be wearing any false lashes. I don't like to wear them, so yeah. Also, I am applying it on my lower lash line. I don't have anything there, but still. For my blush, I am going to use this M.A.C liquid lipstick in the shade Dance With Me. And I am mixing it with a little amount of my cream. I love to apply it as my blush because it just gives the perfect plumpiness and natural flushy red cheeks, not cakiness, not any natural red cheeks. Blending it very nicely with the beauty blender. For my lips, I will be first applying this Nykaa Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade Cleopatra, which is a berry toned lipstick. Applying it as my base, and then I will be top it off with this Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick in the shade Chai, which is a brown lipstick. I just love mixing my pinks and berry toned lipstick with my browns. I always do this. Now to make it a little lighter, I'm using a tissue and doing this, and yeah, that's the final look. This is how I have created my birthday look and I am loving it. And yeah, that is all about this video. I hope you liked the look. Do let me know in the comment section down below if you like my birthday day look. This is gonna be my day look. Night look ke liye, I don't know if I am going to make a video or not. For my outfit and all, I will show you guys in my birthday vlog. So wait for it. And that's it for today's video. Abhi main to chali apni birthday celebrate karne. But if you like this video, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Go follow me to stay more updated about my day and all. And yeah, I will see you guys on my birthday vlog directly. Bye.